Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if Windows keeps changing the default browser and you want to have it set to one particular one. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung apps. And then dito sa left panel ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung default apps. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa default apps at dito lang sa set defaults for applications, makikita mo dito yung search app. So dito ay kailangan lang natin i-search yung Google Chrome. Ayan, so yan yung gagawin nating set default. And then mag-appear ka agad dito sa baba niya. Okay? So ang next step, so itap lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung set default. Okay, so make a Google Chrome your default browser. And then i-click mo lang dito yung set default. Ayan, so makikita mo dito yung check marks. And then dito ay na-set na siya into Google Chrome, mga kaibigan. Alright, so dito naman ay pwede mong i-change yan. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung select default app for PDF file. So click mo lang dito yung Google Chrome and then set default mo lang siya. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na na-change na siya. Okay? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows keeps changing the default browser. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.